Did you know that after the age of 60, your body starts losing essential nutrients at a faster rate than you might think? In fact, recent studies show that up to 40% of seniors suffer from nutrient deficiencies, which can dramatically affect your overall health and quality of life. But here's the good news: there are simple, science-backed changes you can make to reverse this trend. The question is, are you doing enough to protect your health as you age? Stick with me through this video because what you're about to learn could make all the difference for your well-being. I'll be sharing some shocking findings, practical tips, and the most effective strategies to safeguard your health and feel your best every day. But before we dive in, what's the one health concern that worries you the most as you get older? Leave a comment below, and I promise to personally respond to each one of you. This isn't just about information, it's about creating a community where we can learn and grow together. Stay tuned, because coming up, I'll be revealing life-changing tips that you can start using today. Don't go anywhere. You may not notice the changes in your body right away, but your bones are gradually weakening as you age. Once you pass the age of number 50, the process of losing bone density begins to happen quietly. Do you sometimes feel that walking has become weaker, or experience joint pain when the weather changes? These are signs that your bones are not as strong as they used to be. Bones are not only the framework that helps the body stand tall and move, but also play a role in protecting vital organs like the heart and brain. As bone density decreases, the risk of fractures increases, especially when you reach number 60 or number 70. Did you know that after the age of number 50, your body loses about number 1-3% of bone density each year, which can lead to conditions like osteoporosis and joint degeneration? Although bones are living tissue capable of regeneration and healing, this ability decreases with age. Weakened bones not only make it difficult to move but also raise the risk of fractures. Even from minor bumps, the gradual loss of bone density doesn't just affect your physical health but also causes feelings of insecurity and anxiety about depending on others for everyday activities. The changes in your bones are inevitable, but they don't have to be. There is a lot you can do to protect your bones starting right now. Have you started paying attention to your bone health yet? A balanced diet, combined with healthy habits like exercising, avoiding smoking, and limiting alcohol consumption, can help maintain strong bones over time. Do you still think that just adding calcium is enough for healthy bones? In reality, calcium is just one part of the equation. Vitamin D, magnesium, and other minerals also play an essential role in maintaining bone density. Remember, taking care of your bones doesn't have to be complicated, but it requires consistency and proper nutrition. Did you know that some seemingly harmless seeds you consume every day might actually be harming your bones without you realizing it? These seeds, often considered superfoods, might not be as beneficial as they are often portrayed. When consumed improperly, they can contribute to inflammation, weaken your bones, and increase the risk of bone-related conditions like osteoporosis. But what exactly are these seeds? And why should you avoid them? What happens if we don't realize that some seeds could be making our bones weaker? By the time you reach number 50, number 60, your bone health begins to significantly decline. Your bones no longer retain the same strength they once had, and you might start to feel joint pain or discomfort after physical activities. Yet, some seeds you think are good for your health might actually worsen this problem. These seeds contain compounds that can cause inflammation, hinder nutrient absorption essential for bone health, and even disrupt hormone balance, affecting the process of bone repair and regeneration. To better understand, let's dive into the specific seeds you should avoid if you want to maintain optimal bone health. Number 4. Sunflower seeds, the inflammation trigger for bone health. Sunflower seeds, a common snack, are often seen as a great source of vitamin E and heart-healthy nutrients. However, for those over number 60, sunflower seeds can become an inflammation nightmare. The high omega-6 fatty acid content in sunflower seeds, if not balanced with omega-3, can promote chronic inflammation in the body. This inflammation can lead to joint pain, bone stiffness, and even contribute to the hardening of blood vessels. Number 3. Sesame seeds, the silent blocker of nutrient absorption. Sesame seeds, a staple in many dishes, are rich in nutrients, but did you know they contain phytic acid, which can interfere with calcium and magnesium absorption, especially for older adults, whose ability to absorb these minerals has already declined. Phytic acid in sesame seeds can prevent your bones from receiving the necessary calcium for strength. Could you be unintentionally reducing your body's ability to absorb nutrients for your bones by eating too many sesame seeds? Number 2. Chia seeds, a potential danger for digestion and bone health. Chia seeds, often praised as a superfood, can cause major issues if consumed improperly. Chia seeds are highly absorbent, able to absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. However, for those over number 60, the digestive system is not as flexible as it once was. Consuming chia seeds without soaking them properly can lead to digestive blockages, causing bloating, constipation, and even esophageal impaction. Have you been consuming chia seeds without fully soaking them, putting your digestive health and bones at risk? Number 1. Cottonseed oil, a hidden danger for heart and bone health. Lastly, cottonseed, a lesser-known seed, is among the most harmful for bone health. Cottonseed contains gossypol, a natural toxin produced by the plant to protect itself from pests. Gossypol can interfere with heart function, reduce calcium absorption, and damage cell functions. This is especially dangerous for older adults, as the body's detoxification system has become slower, making it more difficult to regulate electrolyte balance. Are you aware of the potential dangers of consuming cottonseed oil or products that contain cottonseed? Now that we've covered the harmful seeds that could be affecting your bone health, do you know that there are still some seeds that can actually help you rebuild and protect your bones? Let's continue exploring the seeds that can make a real difference in supporting bone health and overall well-being. You'll be surprised at the power these seeds hold when consumed correctly. Stay tuned for the next part of this video, where we'll dive into the incredible benefits of the right seeds. Have you ever wondered if you're eating the right seeds to support your bone health? The seeds you consume daily may not just be snacks, they can be powerful nutritional sources that help protect your bones, prevent osteoporosis, and reduce inflammation. But among all the options, do you really know which seeds are the best for your bones? Let's discover the seeds that are truly beneficial for bone health and should be added to your daily routine. Number 4. Black sesame seeds. Black sesame seeds may not be as common as other types, but they contain a significant amount of lignans, which are powerful antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress, especially in aging brain cells and blood vessels. They also provide essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, which contribute to stronger bones. Did you know that black sesame seeds, when consumed properly, can not only improve your bone health but also support blood circulation and memory? This is why black sesame seeds are considered a valuable nutrient source for protecting your bones as you age. However, it is important to choose unprocessed black sesame seeds, and if possible, consume them soaked or ground. Number 3. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are quiet champions for seniors. They might not have flashy marketing, but what they do inside your body is extraordinary. These seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fat that helps reduce inflammation. More importantly, flax seeds are the richest dietary source of lignans, natural plant estrogens that help balance hormones, improve digestion, and protect the heart. Did you know that just 1 tablespoon of flax seeds every day can provide omega-3s and lignans to help reduce inflammation and improve your overall health? If you're struggling with cholesterol or constipation, flax seeds are an excellent choice for improving both heart health and digestive function. Number 2. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth. Yet they're often overlooked in senior diets. These small green seeds are packed with zinc, a vital mineral that plays a major role in immune function, wound healing, and muscle repair. Seniors often experience low zinc levels due to reduced stomach acid, which is necessary for mineral absorption. The result? Slow healing, frequent infections, and muscle weakness that may be mistaken for normal aging. Pumpkin seeds also contain magnesium, which helps with over 300 cellular processes. Did you know that just 1 small handful of pumpkin seeds a day can improve your sleep, reduce leg cramps, and enhance muscle function? A snack of roasted, unsalted pumpkin seeds can work wonders for your health, especially if you're struggling with restless legs or poor sleep. Number 1. Hemp seeds. When it comes to seeds that truly benefit your bone health, hemp seeds stand out. These tiny seeds, derived from the hemp plant, contain zero THC but are packed with a perfectly balanced ratio of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which is crucial for reducing inflammation, brain fog, and muscle wasting. Hemp seeds are also rich in gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, a rare anti-inflammatory compound that helps regulate hormones, reduce joint pain, and support metabolism. Did you know that consuming 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds daily can lead to a 36% reduction in CRP inflammation markers and a 19% increase in HDL cholesterol? Hemp seeds are gentle on the digestive system, making them a perfect addition to your diet, especially if you struggle with joint pain or low energy. They require no soaking or grinding and can be added to smoothies, soups, or yogurt for a powerful boost to your bone health. So now that we've explored some incredible seeds that can support your bones and improve your health, do you know how to incorporate them effectively into your daily meals? Adding these seeds to your diet could make a big difference in protecting your bones and overall well-being. But how can you mix them into your meals in a way that maximizes their benefits? Stay tuned as we move forward to explore the best ways to include these seeds in your diet for optimal bone health. Together, we've explored the seeds that can help protect and improve bone health, while also identifying those that could harm your bones if not consumed properly. From understanding the importance of bone health to discovering both the harmful and beneficial seeds for your bones, you now have a clearer picture of how to maintain strong and healthy bones throughout your life. You've likely realized that it's not just about what you eat, but how you take care of your body that plays a pivotal role in the quality of your life. As a doctor with many years of experience in the medical field, I sincerely thank you for taking the time to watch and listen. This knowledge will only truly be valuable when you begin applying it in your daily life. Congratulations on recognizing the importance of taking care of your bones now, and for choosing to include bone-healthy seeds in your diet. Are you ready to change your eating habits and improve your health? By starting with small changes, like replacing harmful seeds with beneficial ones, you can significantly enhance your well-being every day. Let these new habits become an essential part of your life, and you'll notice a remarkable difference in your overall health. I look forward to hearing your thoughts and feedback on this topic. Please feel free to share your opinions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to continue following Golden Health, where you'll find more valuable health tips and advice to live a healthier life. Share this video with your loved ones so they can join you on the journey to a healthier and more energized lifestyle. I wish you continued health, peace, happiness, and good fortune as you embark on your health journey. Thank you for your ongoing support of our channel.